Paul woke up feeling unwell this morning. He connects with his health coach, Grace, asking for advice. Grace is a next-generation conversational artificial intelligence solution that will advise Paul. She uses a symptom checking process to understand how Paul is feeling. Grace decides that Paul needs a telemedicine visit and automatically schedules the next visit for him. Paul receives messages reminding him of his visit. The messages include secure links that only he can use. When it's time, Paul uses the link to enter a virtual waiting room, where Grace can advise if Dr. Tan is running late. During the visit, Dr. Tan decides that Paul should follow up with an in-person visit and transfers the video call to schedule an appointment. Paul receives automated appointment reminders that include the clinic location. If Paul needs to reschedule, he can ask Grace for help. On appointment day, Paul arrives at the clinic, which has facial recognition, temperature scanning, face mask detection, and safe entry registration all in one. A notification of patient arrival is sent to the hospital system, and contact tracing is automatically captured throughout his visit for future reference. Dr. Tan feels that Paul needs antibiotics and blood pressure medication to manage his blood pressure. After receiving his medication, Paul receives regular notifications helping him understand when, which, and how many pills to take. For questions about his medication, Grace can assist. Paul will also receive reminders to measure his blood pressure, and Dr. Tan will be notified if his blood pressure is high or if Paul skips his medication. Paul feels secure, knowing that Dr. Tan's clinic is monitoring his medication and blood pressure. He can rest easy because Grace is there for day-to-day advice if needed. T-Systems, accelerating digital health in the new world.